As you all know, we have had a very successful executive committee and annual general meeting about 1 hour ago. And Mr. Bharat Shah has taken over as the national president for the year 25 and 26. Mr. Bharat Shah is the managing director of Skant Healthcare, a distinguished company with the SK Group that is known for its most ethical business practices and long joint family business that has served the pharma industry since 1932. With over 40 years of experience in managing pharmaceutical business, Mr. Shah has been instrumental in steering Skant to its current stature in terms of R&D, manufacturing, and exports. Under his leadership, the company has achieved EU GMP certification and established a presence in over 80 countries, supported by a dedicated team of more than 400 employees. Mr. Bharat Shah's commitment to combating malaria is evident through Skant Healthcare's focus on manufacturing anti-malarial drugs and active pharmaceutical ingredients. Notably, the company has collaborated with the Medicines for Malaria venture to develop preventive treatments, underscoring its dedication to global health initiatives. Beyond his role as Skant Healthcare, Mr. Bharat Shah serves on the board of directors for Anu Pharma and Skant Chemicals. A very active member of IDMA, he was unanimously elected as a national president of the association for the year 25-26. We look forward to working very closely with you. Bharat Bhai, may I request you to please address the August gathering.
Honorable Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare and Chemicals and Fertilizer, Madam Anupriya Patel, respected Drug Controller General of India, Dr. Rajiv Singh Raghuvanshi, Founder Chairman of the Wockhardt Group, Dr. Abil Khorakiwala, our special invitee, Dr. Y.K. Hamid, distinguished State Board Chairperson, past presidents, member of the Executive Committee, member of IDMA, and friends from media. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today as the National President of the Indian Drug Manufacturers Association, an association which is 63 years young and vibrant. Today, IDMA is not just a collective of pharma professionals. We are, in fact, community bound by shared commitment of innovating today for healthier tomorrow. With the philosophy in my mind and heart, I pledge to play my role in our industry goal to be the pharmacy of the world. In today's VUCA world, the Indian pharma industry is perfectly poised to become a dominant player on the global stage. Keeping the ambition in mind, we as a team present to you stride. Stride meaning we are walking with confidence. So stride as a framework will focus on supply chain resilience, technological advancement, regulatory reforms, innovation, digital initiatives, and environmental sustainability. The team for the coming 2 years has already begun taking strides for initiative to add value in the immediate future as well as the long term for our 100-member strong community. To name a few initiatives, a support platform from IDMA member to assist for topics such as revised Schedule M, digitization of operations, and upgrade of quality management system. Relaunch of advanced pharmaceutical quality management and international standard course to develop quality champions. A postgraduate program in quality management to upskill the talent pool by creating through industry-academia collaboration. Apart from the strides and the plan initiative, I am pleased to announce 2 new committees that will establish this year. As a third generation entrepreneur myself, I am pleased to announce the Next Gen Committee. The committee will help ITMA navigate the future, develop future leaders, and drive the legacy of our association. With biologics and biosimilars taking center stage of the global scale, I am excited to introduce the Biotech Committee. This committee will focus on advanced research and innovation with the domain. Looking ahead, I am filled with excitement for our collective future. Together, we will embrace opportunities, tackle challenges, and take strides to make a meaningful impact. As I conclude my remark, my heartfelt gratitude to the outgoing leadership team. Your commitment and hard work have added more strength to our beloved ITMA and inspired me to give my best. Lastly, from the bottom of my heart, I thank each one of you for your being present on such a memorable day for me. Sri Ratan Tata famously said, if you want to walk far, walk together. I look forward to your support for a healthier tomorrow. Thank you.